Hey guys, welcome to another video. Researchers at Ruhr University Bochum, Germany have uncovered a security hole in group discussions of several secure carriers, including the giant WhatsApp. By exploiting this design flaw, hackers could interfere in any bundle discussion without the administrator's consent, reveals the US site Wired. Signal and Threema, other secure carriers, are also victims of this fault. Hackers could take control of WhatsApp's servers and insert themselves as participants in the discussion groups. They could thus read the messages sent consecutively to its edition, since the encryption keys would be automatically transmitted thereto. In other words, anyone with access to the WhatsApp server can join a news group. But privacy and security are just some of WhatsApp's main arguments. Everything is, in principle, encrypted end-to-end. Even in the eyes of the servers that route them, the messages are only readable by those to whom they are intended. The company has indicated that it does not intend to correct this design defect because the failure is, in its view, very difficult to exploit. WhatsApp has looked closely at the study, Alex Stamos, head of security at Facebook, owner of WhatsApp, said on Twitter. The researchers behind this report say they warned WhatsApp last July. Alex Stamos says he is aware of the problem, but that group participants receive a message when adding a new member, and that the many ways to check for an intruder are enough to protect our communications. Matthew Green, a professor of cryptography at Johns Hopkins University, explains that this amounts to leaving the door of a bank open and saying that no one will rob it because there are security cameras. He adds that if you build a system where everything boils down to trusting the server, you can do without all the complexity and forget about end-to-end encryption. Also, even if the flaw seems extremely difficult to exploit, because it is necessary on the one hand to have access to the waiters of the firm and on the other hand to succeed not to be noticed while entering a group, the confidence towards the one major messaging applications are blistering with these revelations. Remember, this is one of the few solutions that offer end-to-end encryption for group conversations. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel to get last updates. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching this video. Take care and peace out.